Alright, so this is a review of the Machenike, an unboxing of the Machenike K500A-B84 keyboard. It's a 75% keyboard with 84 keys. So I'll be opening it up now. Alright, so I've taken out the wrap and here's what it looks like from the box. So you have the keyboard. It's quite heavy. The keyboard, the manual, and some accessories. You have the USB-C cable and the keycap remover, the switch remover, and two switches. They are linear switches. Alright, so I'll set it up now and test it out. So here is the keyboard. Looks nice. This is my first video. Right. The keyboard is heavy and firm. It doesn't move, doesn't slide along. So it's made of plastic. It has two rubbery surfaces at the ends of the keyboard. This is what it sounds like. It's pretty nice. So I'll be setting it up now. So this is what it looks like with the backlight. Alright, so I just turned off the lights and this is what it looks like in the dark. So there are different lighting effects. To change it, you use function and page down key. Alright, so let me try. Okay, so now whatever you click on this lighting mode, whenever you click on a key, it lights up the key. Alright. So switching the lighting mode. I think this is blinking. This is the blinking lighting mode, and this one just gives you The directional keys WASD. And then this and this one also, and this light and mode too. And sleeping light, I think. Okay, yeah, so whenever I click on a key, it lights up all the other keys. Then normal backlight. So this is what it sounds like when typing. Alright. Also it has a stand below it, so to raise the front part of the keyboard towards you. So the stand, let me increase the light. Alright, so it is with stand. And the keyboard also has a caps lock indicator here by the side. Whenever caps lock is on, it comes up, then it goes down. Right, so here is a clearer picture of the stand, how it sits properly. To raise it through yourself. Alright, so I'll be doing a typing test with it. Alright, so here's what it sounds typing. Alright. F keys. Alright, so that's for the typing.